Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this beautiful houseboat scenery. I'm sketching out the boat first. I'm using black to sketch out the bottom of the boat. Mixing black and brown to get the desired color. Next, I'm using puff, that is a dark yellow and a brown mix to create the top portion of the boat. I'm using light brown to shade it. I'm using light blue to give the effect of glass. Blending all this together. Next, I'm outlining the boat with dark brown. To give the effects of glare on the boat, I'm using the same dark brown. I'm using black to outline the window and some portion of the boat. In the next step, I'm using the same colors, black and buff, to provide the effect of shadow of the boat in the water. Now blending that all with the light blue. I'm mixing dark blue with the light blue for water. Just to add on some greenery, I'm using dark green to provide the leaves of coconut tree. Using black as well to outline the leaf. I'm mixing all that together. Now I'm going over to the sky using light blue as the base. I'm layering on blue to get the desired effect on sun. Next, I'm using a white pen to show water. Basically, to give the effect of flow, I'm using white pen, dotting it all over the water. Next, I'm using a black to separate the sky and the water. I later on added some more blue to the sky. I hope you liked it. please like and subscribe. Thank you.